help Jake out. Let him do his thing, then we'll go inside, have some breakfast, and then we'll go. Hey, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah. Hey, you hush it. You better go potty. He got surprised. They're gone, Jake. They're way over there. What are you barking at now? Come on, let's go over here. No, stay over here. All right, there you go. They freaked him out. They didn't see him coming around the corner. We got old Panda out now. She doing her thing. Let them do their thing. I gotta do this before I can go in. Tell them wait. They don't know what that means. I hear a little doggy barking. I do. He's just yupping his head off. Alright, we got Panda and Jake back in the truck. Let's go have us some breakfast. And then afterwards, we're going to hook up to a load. And we're headed to Crete, Nebraska with it. I find that kind of funny. We certainly know where Crete is. We've been there 100 million times. Oh yeah. Let's go meet up with little guy for one last time today. Oh yeah.
Every time I come here, I always forget a little bit about this place. And every time I come here, I get amazed because the damn thing is automated. You pull it out, and then another one drops on its own. It's crazy.
Yeah. Kind of works like my brain. I pull an idea out, and another one drops down.
You're a funny guy. See all the pictures I tagged you in last night on Instagram?
I loved it, man. I loved that video too.
Wait till you see. I'm not going to tell you yet, but wait till you see the intro that I'm working on for you.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Okay, so you saw the clips that I put in the video, right? Taking those clips, and I'm animating them. It's going to be cool.
Really?
It's going to be cool. I'm expanding my horizons.
Okay.
On Sony Vegas.
Oh.
I'm like, let me try this button. What's this button do? What's this button do? Because, have you ever used Vegas before?
No. No, just Adobe Premiere.
Well, then you know. It's the same setup. You know how it's got all those filters and effects and... Oh my god. So, yeah. I'm having a little bit of fun playing with your video.
That is cool.
How long do you want the intro to be? Like 8 seconds, give or take?
Don't have to be very long. They're long enough to get their attention.
And do you want to say anything? Like, well, your other one said, let's roll. Do you want to say that, or you want to do something different?
You know what? I want you to use... Because you're really good when it comes to intros and that. I mean, I watch your videos every time. I want you to use your ideas. Because no matter what, I'm going to love it, man. No matter what.
Alright.
Pretty cool.
Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep 'em going. Big wheels rolling, moving on. The white line is a lifeline to a nation, and men like Will and Sonny make it move. Living like a gypsy, always on the go, doing what the best know how to do. Jamming gear's got to be a feat.
We're being mowed down. I know it's dark, wet, but you gotta check this out.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
Alrighty guys, we just got the woodshed washed up. Oh yeah, got it clean. We got the trailer clean too, but I don't care about that so much. What I care about is this thing being clean. Absolutely. Looks good. We're all cleaned up, guys. All right. Let's go to the inspection bay. Alrighty, now that was our day. That was actually at the yard. We got the truck washed and everything. We got our load. Now we're headed to Crete, Nebraska. So if you want to watch the rest of this continuation of our trip, you must follow us. This is the only place you're going to see it on the Trucker Jukebox show. Trucker Jukebox Panda and Jake show. Well, yeah. Well, can't forget you guys. I cannot forget you guys. Oh, no. That would be just kind of crazy, man. Can't forget my kids. Well, no, man. Can't forget the kids. No, 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 no. Can't never do that. Can't never do that. You guys are just crazy, crazy, man. They're crazy. They are. But anyway, it is the next day. We are having our coffee. Absolutely. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video from Trucker Jukebox, Panda, and the Jake Break Show. Or should we say Jake Break and the Panda Show? Huh? Or should we say Jake Break, Panda, and the Jukebox Show? They should get first billing. What do you think? You're just going crazy about that, aren't you? You think you should get... She thinks she should get first billing on this. But then Jake is over there saying, no, 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 no. I'm the oldest one. We'll see you guys tomorrow on another show. Later.